Hello everyone, welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be doing a Play-Doh watermelon slice. Cool, huh? They look delicious, but remember, you can't eat them. So for this you're going to need a Play-Doh knife, white Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, and green Play-Doh. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to flatten out your red Play-Doh. I'm making 2 watermelon slices, so I'm flattening out 2 bits of the Play-Doh. We're then going to use our knife to cut it into a triangle shape. But don't forget to round the top. Next we're going to make the rind. We do that using the green. Attach it at the top like so, and cut off any extra. Now, to give it a bit of detail, we're going to line it with a thin strip of white. Like this. And of course, don't forget the pips. Don't these look delicious? And there you have it, watermelon slices made out of Play-Doh. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed this video, please do let us know in the comment box below because we love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel above, and we'll see you again very soon. Thanks for watching.
Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making an adorable Play-Doh caterpillar. This is so cute. So what you'll need for this is yellow Play-Doh, green Play-Doh, white Play-Doh, orange Play-Doh, red Play-Doh, pink Play-Doh, black Play-Doh, and purple Play-Doh. Pretty much every color there is. So what you want to do is to create 3 balls in the green color. Put them aside. Now we're going to create 3 yellow balls. Make the last yellow ball a little bit smaller and connect them all together. Now we're going to make a whole lot of small orange balls. These are going to be the caterpillar's legs. Now we're going to make some eyes using the white. And fill in the detail with the black. Like so. Don't forget to make a mouth using the red. Now it's time to decorate. Remember, you can use any different colors you like. Why don't you get creative? Finally, you've got to put on some antenna. And there you go. A really cute Play-Doh caterpillar. Thanks for watching. Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making a really cute Play-Doh blueberry pie. Now these are super fun to make and really delicious looking. All you'll need is a knife, a rolling pin, some blue Play-Doh, some brown Play-Doh, and a large jar. So first you want to get some of your brown Play-Doh and roll it flat using the rolling pin. We're now going to make a perfect circle using the jar. Next we're going to make the edge of the pie using some more brown Play-Doh. Cut a strip and then trim the circle with the edge. Now it's time to add the blueberries. These are just circle balls of Play-Doh, really easy. Fill it up. And finally, it's time to make the lattice topper out of the brown Play-Doh. Just lay it on top in a crisscross pattern. It's that easy. There you've got it, a really delicious Play-Doh blueberry pie. How cool is that? So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because we'd love to have you back and we will see you again very soon. Thanks so much for watching. Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Today we are going to be making really yummy Play-Doh chocolate chip cookies. So all you're going to need is some black Play-Doh and some brown Play-Doh. Now these couldn't be easier to make. All you want to do is to roll out your brown Play-Doh. Make the cookie base. Make as many cookies as you like. Next we're going to get some black Play-Doh to be the chocolate chips. Make some small balls and press them down on top. Don't forget, it's Play-Doh so you can't eat it. Do this for every one of your cookies. And there you have it, really cute and easy Play-Doh chocolate chip cookies. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. Bye! Hello and welcome to HooplaKidz How To. Today we are going to be making Play-Doh strawberries. These are really simple but so cute. All you're going to need for this is a skewer, some red Play-Doh and some green Play-Doh. The first thing to do is to roll your red Play-Doh into a ball. I'm making 3 strawberries. Next you want to taper the end. This is to make it look like a real strawberry. Next we're going to take the skewer and mark some marks on the outside of the strawberry. This is to give it texture and to make it look real. Next, take some green Play-Doh and roll it into a long loop. Now we're going to get some leaf shapes. Use your skewer to make a hole in the top of the strawberry and then you can put your leaves in the top. That's how you make Play-Doh strawberries. So thank you very much for watching HooplaKidz How To, everyone. If you have enjoyed the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and we will see you again very soon. Thanks for watching!